Alrighty, I'm not sure if you guys can see that good, but I got a new little camera set up here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I got a lighting, I got everything. It's sick. I like it. Today I'm messing with my Losi 5B. Taking the engine off real quick because I was running it yesterday and she ran good for a few minutes, and out of nowhere she just started bogging out. So I'm trying to figure out, maybe it was just overheating, maybe it sucked in some dirt through the carburetor, because this carburetor it has sucks, doesn't work so good. Where the heck is my tool? Here you go. So yeah, we're just gonna diagnose it, see what's going on. Maybe it needs a new clutch. I'm not sure. I have it here. We'll go ahead and install it if it needs it. I'm obviously gonna change the spring to a 8000K for more higher RPM engagement. But yeah, starting here, we're gonna go ahead and open up this battery box real fast, so we can get the kill switch out, so I can remove the engine completely. This is my baby right here. I love this buggy. I've had all the Losi 5Ts, all the DBXLEs, any fifth gear you can basically think of. I had them all, but I'm enjoying this one a lot more. I just like the compactness of it. Smaller, it's a lot more durable from what I've had experienced with. Yeah, it's super cool. I like it. The only thing is the heating issue. After a good maybe 20 minutes of running it, she gets super hot, and I see why parts tend to fail. Too much heat, too much heat. So this is the engine right here. It's running a Zenoah 34 stock port ESP engine. It's basically just stroked. She moves good, moves decent. I like it. TLR clutch bell housing, has a Bogging racing pipe. I'm not sure you can see all that, but that's it right there. We're gonna see, maybe I want to start first with the clutch to see if that's what she needs. Then we'll go from there, see what else could it be. And my next step after this here is going to be the electric conversion. I don't know if you guys can see up there, that's my X-Max. I have the X-Max there with the XLX2 and the 1100 kV motor. I'm gonna switch it out. I'm gonna put a Max 5 in there that I have sitting around with the stock motor and just bash that, and then the system is gonna come over here. I'm just gonna buy me a WFO motor mount. I like the way that looks. I like the way it's built, so I'll definitely be doing that. I'll be running some gears on here too. I'm gonna do about like 50-25, which I have the mod 1.5 gear there already. I just got to get me the 50 spur gear. I was thinking about locking the center differential with one of those monster, I forget the name, spool, but I might just go ahead and silicone this center diff and lock it that way. That's all I'm gonna do with that. Make it pretty darn quick and peppy. Yeah, here we go. Let me go ahead and get another tool here that I need. A handy dandy Allen key. I'm not sure if you guys can see me working here, but let's see. Whoa. Don't need that engine cracking in no way. We'll just go ahead and put this guy here for now. And work on the engine over here. Right on top of here. Yeah. This way. gonna remove the clutch bell housing, the clutch housing first. See what we got going on with the clutch. Maybe that's the culprit. I'm so happy I got this little setup here for my phone, so I can actually record now without holding the phone or having issues. Now it'll just sit there and record for me. Yes, sir. So this is Gapcation RC. Welcome to my channel. I do a little bit of everything. I do drag racing, I do off-road, anything you could think of, I do it. The only thing I don't do is fly. I'm not a flyer. I love my RC cars. So if you're new here, like, subscribe, share. It's free. I'm just here recording the things I do in my daily life with the RC life. I do a lot that I don't put on video, a whole lot. Do a lot of building, all type of stuff. Clutch looks okay. Might not be the clutch. The clutch looks okie dokie. Might not be the clutch. So could just be she was overheating, now that I think about it. So yeah, that is gonna kind of push me to go electric with it for now, just to mess around. If not, I could just always buy a new piston and piston ring, on the head, and just keep running it like this till it completely blows out. But interesting. I think it's compression to me. Could be the compression. Yeah, I'm thinking it's compression loss. So might need a new piston ring, a new piston. She should be alright after that. Could be she ate some dirt. For sure. I would have to open her all up and see. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's put all this back how it goes. These are my shimmers. What is it? I'm not sure. Put these up here. Put these with that. Clutch looks good. The clutch housing, clutch bell. Looks decent. It's not scorched or anything like that. But yeah, this could be a big issue. This filter here is crappy, super crappy. Now, let's see what we got here. I'll remove that first. Just leave that on there. So we're gonna remove the pull start housing. We're basically just going to break down the whole engine again and see what's going on inside. I do this stuff in my sleep, so it's not an issue. Alright. I definitely enjoy it. I don't have a lot of space in here in my little workshop, So I gotta work with what I have. And make magic happen, you know? I don't have the special tools, none of that. I do it all by... Oh, darn it. Hey! Hey, put Dax away! My dog is loose. Ah, my son is always letting him out the cage. And he might be somewhere, and I don't want that. Dax! What are you doing? I don't edit my videos, so you guys will be seeing the raw video. Me talking crap to my dog. All that crazy stuff. That's the pull starter right there. Ah man, that feels a lot like compression loss for sure. I mean, it was prone to happen. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at all. Not surprised. So, let's take off the spark plug wire. As you guys can see, this is how you break down the engine with just tools, normal tools that you have at home. I don't have anything special. It's all just normal tools. Dax! What are you doing, boy? He's just hanging out. Yeah. She was burning really good, though, I'll tell you that. She was burning really good. Really, really, really good. That's for sure. I just, I'm not sure how long this engine's been ran, and when I got it, it was seized actually, and I got it running again, and I didn't use anything new. I just reused everything that's on here. Get all this little grass out of here. Anyway. Get this head off real quick. Just tighten down there. Tight down there. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we can get the head off. Might seem half-assed, but just the way I do my thing, you know what I mean? You can either take this information or you don't have to. It's just what I do with my cars and how I build them up and do whatever I do with them. Oh, now the head is out. Looks pretty good in there. Looks good in there. It's just like I said, compression loss. I don't know if you guys can see that. Head is good. Might just need a new piston ring and a piston. So the reason why I might have caused it, I'm thinking, it's just, see, that piston was burning pretty good. Not bad. That's the carbon right there. Carbon buildup. Yeah. Might just need a new ring. Who knows? But to be on the safe side, I might just get the whole piston head and ring. Everything looks good in there. I cleaned this engine out. It does look like there's some dirt in there. So I may just end up grabbing the whole engine and opening it up completely, take apart the bottom block, clean it out again, lube it up again, and yeah, go from there. We'll have it running back up in no time. So yeah, that could just be my issue right there. Lost compression. constant pressure. Yeah. Well, I am gonna also say I'm gonna get new seals as well, so I can seal it up really good. Looking for the little slit it has, so yeah, I'm thinking this piston is done. I don't even find the oh, there it is. It gets a little annoying trying to get this ring to stay and clamp so it can go inside the head. There it is. Yeah. Definitely be that, man. Definitely. Alright. So we're gonna leave it at that. Like I said, I might just convert it to electric. That's the next goal. I wanna have this thing moving super duper hard on electric. Where'd this come from? I don't know. Here. Move this head and everything out the way. Oh, this is the new clutch housing. Put all that over there. I want to give you guys a little runaround on the Losi 5B. Show you what I'll be doing if I convert it to electric. Come back over here with the Losi. So yeah, I actually got to see what spur gear is on there. So here she is. Oop, I don't need to see that. Let's see if I can go up higher. And twist down. Maybe. There we go. Think that'll work. So I'm gonna leave everything exactly how it is. Basically, I'm just gonna put the motor mount, remove the gas tank. I'm gonna leave the mechanical brakes for sure, so it can help with the ESP and motor heating. I might just make my own battery tray on this side or this side. Not well, this side, yeah, because I'm leaving everything here. We're gonna make it electric, like I said. I'm gonna let it rip. I'm building it to actually drag race it off-road. I haven't really seen much of these drag racing off-road, and I feel like it has a lot of potential to go fast and straight off-roading. I have some Proline MX3s for it. I got a brand new body, haven't been painted. I gotta paint that thing up. A few little things, man. But yeah, this is my baby right here. It's the Losi 5B. It's a beast. Well, that concludes my video. Thank you guys for watching. Gapcation is checking out.